How much girl can you get in 1 year?
1 year?
Yeah.
What I want 100 or something. You see it?
100? You know, say boy Prince Duck in here, so me there ask me Bridget one question. What your name?
Chuck.
Chuck, your name, alright. How much girl can you get in 1 year?
About 5.
5 girl?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright then. Thank you very much. That's me, G.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. What your name?
Theodore Bob.
You say?
Theodore Bob.
Theodore Bob?
Yeah.
Alright. How much girl can you get in 1 year?
361.5.
261. So, like you can get so much. Why you leaks them when you use?
Really, nigga?
Alright. This is a few lyrics them so you're not gonna bother give it so. Me good. Thank you very much. Your name?
Kylan.
Alright, me ask you a simple question. You see me? How much girl can you get in 1 year?
In 1 year?
Yeah.
You know, say I can't count though. But
Yeah.
enough, you see me?
But enough. Yeah, girl is.
In 1 year, I can't count. you see
1
me?
year can't count.
Yeah, man.
Believe you. You see, you look pious, you see you're sharp in your skills in you see it?
Sharp, man.
Yeah man, me G. Respect you see it?
Respect.
Yeah man. What's your name?
My name Ryan, you know.
Alright, Ryan. So how much, I ask you one simple question, you see me? How much girl can you get in 1 year?
1 year?
Yeah.
What I want 100 or something. You see it?
100? You sharp so?
Of course.
You sharp, you sure?
But the real side of that, go on to that.
100 girl?
Yeah.
Alright, me G. Respect,
man.
thanks for your support, you see man?
Yeah, man.
Name?
JD.
JD? Alright. How much girl can you get in 1 year?
100.
100 girl?
Yeah.
You sure brother?
Yeah.
You sure?
I mean.
Okay, respect me G. The boy Prince that you know say end that video though people. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to comment and tell me how me do on this vlog. You see it. Remember that you see people. So